Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize frame.io token access in Adobe After Effects, detailed guide step-by-step clear. To begin authorizing frame.io token access in Adobe After Effects, first, ensure you have the frame.io plugin installed. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, locate and select Extensions. In the Extensions submenu, find it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, click on the link to create a new one. Once logged in, you will need to generate an access token. To do this, go to your web browser and log into your Frame.io account. In the Frame.io dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, look for the Integrations tab. Under Integrations, find the option for API tokens. Click on Create Token to generate a new token. You may be prompted to name your token. Enter a meaningful name for your reference. After naming it, click on Create. Once the token is generated, copy it to your clipboard. Return to Adobe After Effects with the Frame.io extension open. In the extension, look for the field labeled Access Token. Paste the copied token into the Access Token field. After pasting, click on Authorize or Connect to finalize the process. If the token is valid, you will see a confirmation message. Now the Frame.io integration is active in Adobe After Effects. You can begin uploading, downloading, and managing your Frame.io assets directly from After Effects. Remember to keep your token secure and not share it publicly. That concludes the authorization process for Frame.io token access in Adobe After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.